सारी की सारी लड़कियां डेंजर में हैं, वी गेनिंग अवेयरनेस बट वी नॉट टेकिंग एनी एक्शन अगेंस्ट इट। किसी का गंदा सोच होता है, सो चाहे वो आदमी हो या औरत हो, it will happen to both. किसी को भी छेड़ना, लड़का हो या लड़की, that is not a good thing.
And then we'll talk about women's safety. So, do you think women's safety is there in Delhi?
I feel like it's there to a certain level. बहुत ही privileged point of view से बोल रही हूँ, because I for one मेरे को कभी किसी ने छेड़ा नहीं है, thank God. But I feel like there are a lot of there isn't one single woman that I have met जिसको किसी ने eve tease नहीं करा हो या something like that, right? So the main point is it is so omnipresent. You know, the fact that everyone knows कि अभी सारी की सारी लड़कियां danger में हैं, right? But it's also the fact that no one is doing anything about it, but कुछ हो भी रहा है. Like we're gaining awareness, but we're not taking any action against it. Even though you know the governments and all, they've improved a lot. The people's mindsets have evolved a lot from where we were.
Yeah.
But we still have a long way to go. Basically that. And I mean, apart from the fact that not just Delhi, but any area in the world, not just India, is not particularly safe for women. और मतलब जैसे किसी का गंदा सोच होता है, सो चाहे वो आदमी हो या औरत हो, it will happen to both. But women are more susceptible to being the victim as per the data, obviously. But what I would like to say is, I feel like everyone should have education, first of all, have a non-conservative environment to grow in. You can be conservative and be righteous. किसी को भी छेड़ना, लड़का हो या लड़की, that is not a good thing. या किसी को भी harm करना, it's not a good thing. That's just basic human etiquette and basic human tendency that you should be following. And the ones who are not following it obviously are not good people. So if you're not a good person, either try to become one or I mean be put away. I feel like you need, जैसे बच्चों को बोल देते ना कि अपने रूम में जाओ या मतलब जेल टाइम काइंड ऑफ, लाइक देयर शुड बी सम reprimand करना चाहिए थोड़ा, that's what I feel.
What's your views on there are a lot of cases coming in that बच्चे लोग जो है minor kids who are boys, okay, they are attempting on rape, okay, or they are committing rape on minor girls as well. What the punishment for them should be?
I feel like again, first of all, what narrows down to is the fact that apart from the psychological issues, the upbringing of children should be in a proper environment where they are, ऐसे नहीं कि लड़कियों की तरफ नहीं देखना चाहिए या लड़कियों को बोल रहा हूँ कि लड़कों की तरफ, अगर तुम they are human beings, treat people like human beings, not like girls या boys और अकेले रहो ऐसे करके, ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. At the end of the day, you are going to be, मतलब जो लोग अभी बोल रहे हैं कि हमको अलग अलग रहना चाहिए, उनको ही 10-15 साल बाद बोल देंगे मैरी अ स्ट्रेंजर, ठीक है? इट्स द सेम लाइन दैट वी गो थ्रू, ठीक है? सो यू नीड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ओपननेस, मोर exposure is what the world needs, at least to the other gender, in order to have some or the other kind of respect for each other and to have knowledge about each other. Some people मतलब बोलते भी हैं कि मैं तो बस थोड़ा सोच रही थी या सोच रहा था about the other person's body, that's why I tried to attempt to touch it. That's not okay. That is the thing, you should be educated and aware about the things that are going on. That's all, awareness. I hope things get better and I hope that whatever are the measures that have to be taken, I hope जो लोग promises करते हैं, whoever the people are in power, I feel that they should actually step up and actually perform the things that they promise to. Because at the end of the day, there are so many cases which are reported, ठीक है, but there are so many which are not reported, obviously. So I hope that things do get better. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Pleasure talking.
बल्ले.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. जैसे कि आपने सुना कि इनका व्यूज़ हमने सब में जाना, okay, on rape cases, on women liberation, on everything. इसी से मैं समाप्त करता हूँ. मैं आदित्य आचारी, कैमरामैन लोकेश ठाकुर, न्यूज़ पथ दिल्ली.